Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Janefrances Ezeonye. If this is your first time tuning in, guys, welcome. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crisscross high sleek braided ponytail. Guys, watch till the end to see the entire process. So I'm starting off with a freshly washed, moisturized hair, a little bit damp, not wet. So I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam Eco Styler gel, this dark hair wax, some elastic bands, and then a rat tail comb. So yeah, that's all I'll be using for this hair. So I start off with sectioning my hair into two equal halves. So I first of all section the hair, like go through from ear to ear, and then I go ahead and apply some Shine and Jam to clean out the part. So yeah. So now that I am done sectioning, I go ahead and use some elastic band to hold the back section in place. So I'll be starting off with the front section. I go ahead and cut what looks like a slanted line, like make a slanted part. So I do it on both sides of my hair. Yeah, so first off I make a part and then I add some Shine and Jam to clean out the part. So I do this on both sides. Now what we are left with is three sections in front, so I'll still use some bands to hold the two side section. So for the middle section I just make a straight part. So I cut and then I put some Shine and Jam to clean out the part. So I'll start cutting it into smaller boxes. So I make the first part and then I'm going to apply some Shine and Jam and then use elastic band to secure that box. So I go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So I make a part, I clean it out with Shine and Jam, and then I use some elastic band to secure it. So now I'm going to go ahead to twist both of them. I just apply that edge wax to keep my hair nice and sleek. So I go ahead and then twist the hair all the way to the end. Now when I'm done with that, I go ahead and section the second line. I think this is the third box now. So guys, my hair is so thick and dense and coarse that if you make a part and just remove your hand, and by the time you're back the part is all closed up. So now I'm going to continue with what I'm doing. I'm going to apply some Shine and Jam to the root and then section my hair into two. So I'm going to take that front section and pass it to the second one in a crisscross manner, right? You take the left to the right and the right to the left. Now I give my hair a little tug and then apply more edge wax and begin to twist. So guys, this is really easy breezy, it's not difficult. So once I'm done twisting, I'm going to repeat the exact same process on the other side. So I go ahead and section my hair out, I apply some Shine and Jam, and then I take the hair from the front section and put it to the second line in that crisscross manner, and then use some elastic band to secure it. And then go ahead and give my hair a little tug to keep it, nice and tight, and then begin to twist. I twist it all the way to the end, and that is it, guys. Now, for this very last section, I'm not going to section it into two. I'm just going to leave it as one last section. Now, I take the both twist from the second line and put them together into that third line, and then I use some elastic band, to secure it. I give my hair a little tug, to keep it nice and tight, and I go ahead to twist all the way to the end. And with this, we are done with the entire middle section in the front. So I go ahead and begin to apply some edge on the back section of my hair to keep it nice and sleek. Guys, my hair, like I said, is really dense and tough. Really tough, guys. Like, not so many gels can lay my hair. So I first off start with Eco Styler gel, and then I top it with the dark wax because that has a better hold. So I apply these two gels to my hair and then brush it through, and then use some elastic band to secure that. Now, coming back to the front section, I felt like, I think I need to just make it two little cornrows by the side. So I did go ahead, and section small hair out, and I did the cornrow. Guys, this is in no way how to do a cornrow video. I'm not really good at making cornrows. So now that I am done with the two cornrows on both sides, I go ahead to, begin to lay whatever that is left in the front section of my hair. So section by section, I apply the Eco Styler gel, and then I apply the Dax hair wax for a better hold, and then I brush it through. So I keep doing that until I am done with that side. So once I am done with this side, I go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side, and then I try to brush through my hair over again, feel if there is any place that still needs some gel and wax, and then I go ahead to apply it, and then secure the entire updo with an elastic band. So yeah. So guys, I know you're seeing this white cast that is coming as I'm brushing my hair, but do not worry, the gel is going to dry clear. So yeah, once I am done with securing my hair, I go ahead and apply some gel spray. Guys, I've had this for a while, so I don't even remember where I got it from. I think it's Systems. So I apply it generously to my hair because this is going to help catch the flyaways. And I go ahead and then tie my hair with this silk scarf, and then go to bed because I'm going to leave it overnight. Yeah. So this is the next morning now. So I went ahead to cut out this what is it called again? This yarn, guys. So but this is a special kind of yarn. I think it's called Brazilian wool. And then I used some elastic band. Guys, I couldn't find my scrunchie, so I used some elastic band to keep it in place. Now I'm going to spray this sheen spray on the yarn before I start braiding. So guys, my chair is going to be like my mannequin today. So I'm going to just attach it to the leg of the chair, and then I begin to braid. I'm not really braiding so tight so that I can fluff it out when I'm done. So when I get to the end, guys, I begin to attach some, kanekolon extension, because I think I want to be coiling the end. So once I'm done doing that, I go ahead, and tie the hair to secure the ends like so. Now I go ahead and cut off all those yarn coming through to make it nice and smooth, and then I cut a fresh yarn and begin to wrap it around the braid, because I want that part where the yarn ends and where the extension is attached to look seamless. So I just go ahead, to use a straw to, curl the ends of the hair. And that's basically it, guys. Yeah. So guys, I am back, to continue the process. So this is my hair looking all sleek, guys, and laid. I told you that this gel was going to dry clear. So now I'm using this hair wax. Guys, this is the only wax that lays my edges. Maybe there are other ones, but this is the one that I know. At least it keeps it for some hours. I go ahead and use this with a toothbrush to lay my edges. One tip I would like to give you guys is when you know you're going to be applying a lot of gel in your hair, just use a light conditioner and some oil to moisturize your hair. Do not use heavy conditioners that might end up giving you white cast and flakes. So now that I am done laying my edges, I'm just going to use this, scarf to tie my edges down. So this is the ponytail, the braided hair that I'll be using for the ponytail, guys. I did dip this end in hot water, guys, and this is what the curls look like. So we are going to leave it at that for now, and go ahead to attach this to my bun. So I just attach the hair to my bun like so by just securing the rubber band to it. So when I am done doing that, I'm going to flip the hair over and then try to snug my natural hair, my natural bun into the braid. So I go ahead and use some yarn that I cut out and then brush the end to wrap around the base and the braided ponytail, just to make it seamless, guys. So when I'm done doing this, I'm just going to go ahead and just begin to unravel that curls. Like I begin to separate the curls the way that I want it, and I go ahead to trim the ends of the curl just to give it that perfect look and definition. So that is basically it, guys. That's all there is to this hairstyle. Yeah. Now that I am entirely done, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the scarf. And guys, this is the finished look. Let me tell y'all something. This hair is giving what it's supposed to give. I am living for it. I am loving it. I didn't even know I was going to achieve this with my short hair. So guys, this is really nice. I love it. Yeah. So this is me trying to, accessorize the hair. I'm just attaching some accessories to, the twisted crisscross. So yeah, tell me in the comment section, which do you prefer, with or without the accessories? Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, If you've stayed till the end, guys, you are the real MVP, and thank you very much for watching my video. Guys, subscribe to my channel, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, because it really helps my channel grow, and I appreciate that. Stay blessed, stay fabulous. Bye.